You can change your relationship to money in 90 seconds. Let me show you how. We're going to do this with EFT tapping. I know it might look weird, but just stay with me because it works like magic. Let's try it together now and just give yourself this moment to experience something new. There's nothing to lose. Okay, follow along with me and tap where I tap. I seriously want to make a lot of money, but I just don't know how. I don't know where this money would come from. I have a very limited view on money. Money is so hard to make. Money is scarce. I always seem to have it and then lose it. Even though I feel this way about money, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Today I'm ready to manifest a new reality. I choose to shift out of this scarcity mindset. I'm opening myself up to attracting more money from ways I never thought possible. The universe is my sugar daddy. I always have more than enough money. So I'm releasing all these fears and anxiety about money. And I'm choosing to believe that money is easy to make. And I'm capable of attracting the money that I desire. Because money is the most abundant resource in the universe. Money flows so easily and abundantly to me. And today I'm opening myself up to new avenues of income. All right, take a deep breath in and gently release. Okay, if you want to learn how to seriously attract an abundance of money, EFT tapping is honestly the best way. If you're looking to rewire some deep subconscious beliefs and invest in yourself, check out the workshop at the top of my page. I'm teaching you how to rewire beliefs and elevate your energy using EFT tapping. It's a workshop all about being lucky girls, but we're not doing it through affirmations. We're actually creating new pathways in our brain to become lucky so you can magnetize money and all that you desire more easily. If it's not for you, it's completely okay as well. Follow this page because I upload tons of free content just for you.